Hello, my name is Abdulahi. I'm currently in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm originally from Nigeria. I teach mathematical science, data analytics, and languages. Some of the languages I teach are Hausa, Arabic, and Yoruba. With over 13 years teaching experience at all educational levels up to university, I hold a bachelor's degree in mathematical science, master's degree in mathematical science, and master's degree in applied statistics, two different master's degree. I also have extensive experience in data analytics and have authored multiple academic papers. In my lessons, you can expect a structured yet engaging approach using the practical examples and real world applications. I prefer using interactive activities, personalized materials, and problem solving exercises to help you grasp concepts. I like teaching from simple to complex, from concrete to abstract. I specialize in helping students at all levels, from beginners to advanced. And I help students to prepare for their examinations, to assist them in their homeworks, and to help them understand concepts better. I look forward to helping you achieve your learning goals. Feel free to book a class, to book a lesson with me, and let's make learning enjoyable and productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.